Here's just a little bit of an overview about what softening phrases are. Let's start by looking at this example sentence. I'm afraid it looks like we can't move forward with the project for now. So in this sentence, you can see that the softening phrases are in different colors. And we're really going to use these softening phrases to sound more polite and professional, especially when you're expressing maybe some bad or disappointing news, maybe some opinions that your colleague or stakeholders may not agree with, and also if you're in a disagreement with any of your colleagues and stakeholders. And it's really going to allow you to express yourself respectfully. And as we can see from this example, we can use softening phrases lots of places in the sentence, in the beginning, in the middle, or the end.